Thought I'd give you a little help here on problem 366. You can see in this problem that it's giving you a distance that the football travels. And why don't we just open up another screen here. I need a blank sheet here to work on, and so we'll just go ahead and save that. Now we don't have anything there. Let's add a new slide, blank slide. Okay. Really doesn't matter where we save it. Save. Okay. All right. And we can get ourselves a pen here. Okay, problem 366. We are launching a football at an angle of 45 degrees, and we're asked to find the speed at which it's launched. Okay, it travels a total distance down here, certain distance, let's say it's 81 meters. At least that was one of the numbers I saw in the problem. Okay, you do the same thing you do in any problem involving projectile motion. You figure out what is VOX and VOY. Okay. Now I realize that you do not know this velocity V0 here. That's okay. You're still going to go ahead and keep that symbol over here in VOX and VOY and your cosine and sine functions. Now, we still have our same equations, x equals VOX times t, right? But we know what x is. It's given in the problem, and we have a expression here for VOX, so we can substitute that down here as well, and that will include an unknown quantity v sub 0. And of course the time we have to determine by using our y equation. Okay, E0yt, and then remember this is free. The gravitational acceleration is negative 9.8, so it's 1/2 at squared, which means that's 1/2 of negative 9.8 is 4.9 t squared. Now the football lands and starts at the same point, so let's go ahead and use a different color here and put in the fact that it lands in the receiver's arms at the same height it leaves the quarterback's arms, and plus bring that V0y that you calculated up here on down, plug it in right there. Okay, you'll get 0 equals some term times t minus 4.9 times t squared. Factor that, and then in the parentheses solve for the value of t. That will still include the unknown V0 up here. That'll still include the unknown V0 because that's in right here in your v0y. And so both of these expressions, x and the time you get from the y equation, will include v0 in them. So when you combine the solution to this equation, t, from this equation into the first equation, you'll have an unknown quantity in there, v0. In fact, it'll be in there twice, so you have v0 squared. And you can solve for it. Okay. That's it.